Hi all, good evening. I welcome you all to HashLearn Studios. Myself is Girish K. So in the last class we did the problems on definite integrals, and today we are going to start with the applications of integrals. Before that, here is a recap of the problems what we have done in the last class, and this was one of the problem from last class practice pack. CPP, you know, these are the 10 important questions which will be given at the end of the class. In that, one of the selected and the most important one where you need to find the value of f of 1. Okay, so they have given you some function and it is integrated from 0 to x, and this is x plus x to 1 t f of t dt. So you know that if you want f of 1, first you need to find f of x, then replace x as 1. Okay, if you want to get f of x, यहाँ पे f of t है ना, उसको integrate किए है ना, उसको differentiate करना है. So when you differentiate the integration sign, what happens? f of t will take, यहाँ पे t is equal to 0 से शुरू होके t is equal to x तक है. So what does that will give you? T is equal to x. When you put this will become, this part will become f of x. You need to replace t as x and differentiation x, you will get 1. Differentiation of x is 1, and here this part what happens, upper limit है ना 1. When you put t as 1 and differentiate, that will become 0, minus, and you have lower limit as x. यहाँ पे minus sign है, lower limit is x. That is what you need to replace t with x here. So t के जगह में x डाले तो यहाँ पे ये है x, ये है f of x. ठीक है, then you shift there, you will get f of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. Once you get f of x as 1 by 1 plus x, हमें f of 1 चाहिए, means you need to put x as 1. When you put x as 1, what happens? You will get f of 1 will be equal to 1 divided by 2. Is it clear? That is there in option A. Hope you all follow the steps. Chalo, let us go to the today's goals is applications of integrals, and we are going to solve the problems based on that. And let us look into the concepts of applications of integral. You know that if you want to find area, so at your level, at class 12 level, you have only area problems. If you go for higher level, you know that you can find the length of the curve and volume of a solid. So here we are going to concentrate only on areas, finding the area between the curves. So we will use the concept of integration. We will define the lower limit, we define the upper limit, and we integrate and get the required area. So यहाँ पे area is nothing but integration. If this is your starting point A and this is your end point B, we say that starting limit is A, ending limit is B, A to B, and y dx. What is this y and what is this dx? This y is length and this one is breadth, length into breadth. Y is length, dx is breadth. How can you say that as length? Very simple. So ये जो y direction में एक small strip लिए तो ये जो strip है ना, it acts as a rectangle. वो rectangle जैसा दिखाई दे रहा है, और जो भी लंबा है ना उसको we call it as y length, and जो भी छोटा है ना, that is what your breadth, which is there in x direction. So इसलिए इसको dx बोलते हैं. dx is a small in x direction and y is the length in y direction. So length is y and breadth is dx. Length into breadth will give you the area. जो भी strips आते हैं ना under A to B, वो सबको हम integrate करना है. We need to sum up all the strips so that we get the final area. ठीक है, so area A to B y dx. Y is nothing but the length of the small strip in the given area. Okay, fine then. So suppose if you have a length in x direction, यहाँ पे देखो horizontal ऐसा strip डाले तो this is your x direction, this is your length, and dy, ये जो छोटा breadth है ना, that is in y direction. Okay. So length into breadth, area will be in this case c to d x dy, c to d x dy. Not able to see that? Okay. And here there are some important results which we use them. Okay. And whenever you have these standard figures, what are standard figures? Ellipse, it is a standard figure. Circle is a standard figure. Right angle triangle or any triangle, that is also a standard figure. Semicircle area is a standard figure. Quadrant, that is also a standard figure. Means we have formulas for each and every shape. So whenever you have this standard type, okay, so you can make use of these formulas directly just to save time. अगर ये जो है ना ellipse ऐसा है तो x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, directly आप लिख सकते हैं pi into a into b as the area. Without integration you can use it directly only when the ellipse is of that form. Similarly, अगर आपको एक y is equal to mx line दिए तो and y square is equal to 4ax एक parabola, y square is a parabola, directly you can use this area and say 8a square by 3m cube. Area lying between parabola y square is equal to 4ax and its latus rectum. ये latus rectum क्या होता है? वो तो line है. X is equal to a is the latus rectum, that is 8a square by 3. If you have a parabola y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by, that is your 16 by 3 into a into b. ठीक है? And here, suppose if you have y square is equal to 4a into x plus a as a parabola and y square is equal to 4b into x plus b as one more parabola, then your area will be 8 by 3 root ab into a plus b, and this is your hyperbola and this is your line x is equal to a and x is equal to 2a. अगर है तो you can make use of this 2 root 3 a square minus a square log 2 plus root 3 as the direct result. And xy square is equal to a square a minus x, this is also a parabola with y axis pi a square will be your area. So ये जो भी standard formulas है ना, if you are getting the equation in that particular form, you can directly make use of that and get the final answer. Yes, Pushan, good evening man. So hope you remember all these important results. Okay, when you have the standard case, you can without integration you can remember them and directly you can write the answer. Okay, fine then. So let us go to the problems. Today's problems, each and every problem will have 45 seconds. You can try them and get the right choice. So here is the first problem. Okay, so exam में आपको diagram नहीं रहता है. You need to draw the diagram, identify the lower limit and upper limit and get the answer. You are left with 20 more seconds. Yes, Pushan, good evening man. Are you doing the problems? No response? Okay, fine then. Your time is up now. So let's see how to do this problem. See here, if you want to learn or analyze the graph, you go to Google and type Desmos, D-E-S-M-O-S, Desmos. Okay, it is a graphical calculator. Just you type whatever the function you have, just you type it there, it will give you a smooth hand curve. It will give you a smooth hand curve. You know that smooth hand curve how to draw, you have learnt in your high school. आपको जो भी कर्व दे उसको हम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. आपको लेना है x वैल्यूज, x0 ले लो, y का वैल्यू फाइंड करो, x1 ले लो, -1, 2, -2. You can take as many points you want, you can take. So find the respected value of y to 0, 1, -1, 2, -2. जो भी points मिलता है ना बाद में each point you have to plot it on a graph and draw a smooth hand curve. Okay, तो ये जो curve है ना y is equal to x square, y is equal to x square plus 2. If we take x as 0, x को 0 लिए तो y will be 2, x को 1 लिए तो y will be 3, x को -1 लिए तो y will be 3. In the same way you take multiple points and draw a smooth hand curve, ऐसा दिखाई देगा वो U shape parabola. और बाद में they are asking you to find the area bounded by वो जो parabola है और x axis, ये है आपका x axis between x is equal to 2 line and x is equal to 4 line. ओके, तो क्या करना है, ये जो शेडेड है ना उसका एरिया फाइंड करना है. चलो ये शेडेड एरिया को हम ऐसा एक वर्टिकल स्मॉल स्ट्रिप ले लेंगे. तो इफ द लिमिट्स आर अलोंग x एक्सिस, लिमिट्स x एक्सिस में है तो यूज y dx, यूज y dx. अगर लिमिट्स y एक्सिस पे है तो यूज x dy. ओके, ये जो है ना 2 to 3 इज द लिमिट अलोंग 2 to 4 इज द लिमिट अलोंग x एक्सिस, इसलिए y dx यूज करना है. ये y है ना, द y विल बी द y कोऑर्डिनेट फॉर द कर्व. यस पुशन, होप यू आर फॉलोइंग दिस. ये जो y है ना, ये जो कर्व है ना यहाँ पे, उसका y कोऑर्डिनेट, व्हाट इज y कोऑर्डिनेट फॉर दैट, x स्क्वायर प्लस 2. वो जो कर्व का y कोऑर्डिनेट है x स्क्वायर प्लस 2, इसको हमें इंटीग्रेट करना है 2 to 4. ओके, चलो इसको इंटीग्रेट करेंगे अभी. x क्यूब बाई 3 प्लस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 2 इज 2x. अपर लिमिट और लोअर लिमिट को सब्सटीट्यूट करना है. सो 2 to 4. चलो यहाँ पे सब्सटीट्यूट किए तो ये है अपर लिमिट सब्सटीट्यूट करने के लिए स्पेस, ये है लोअर लिमिट सब्सटीट्यूट करने के लिए. सो दैट इज, दिस इज 4 क्यूब by 3, 4 into 2 is 8, lower limit is 8 by 3 plus 4. Okay, so that will give you 24. 64 minus 24 is 40 by 3 minus 4 3s are 12, that is 20 by 3. तो ये हो जाएगा 20 by 3. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है 20 by 3. यस पुशन, कुछ कंफ्यूजन है क्या? Do you have any confusion, Pushan? Hope you followed the steps. See, many of the students will be confused in ये जो y को क्या लेना है और limits क्या लेना है. If you understand what to take the limits and what to take y, then integration will be very simple. ठीक है? Hope you followed that. Let's get ready for the next numerical number 2. यहाँ पे है. Come on man, quick. What is the answer? Pushan. Okay, no problem. Do this second problem correctly. Diagram is already given. Just to make it simple, it is given. But in the examination, you have to draw on your own. कैसे draw करना है? आपको लेना है x value, respective y value को find करना है. You take couple of points and draw a smooth hand curve. Best way to practice this graph is Google में Google करो Desmos, use that graphical calculator where you can learn all the graphs. Okay, your time is up Pushan. ये क्या करना है ना, इसको draw करना है तो हमें क्या लेना है, ऐसे plot करना है x and y, 0, 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, जितना भी वैल्यू चाहिए उतना वैल्यू डाल के रेस्पेक्टिव y वैल्यू फाइंड करो. You plot the points on the graph and do the smooth hand curve, you will get the parabola something like this. हमें क्या करना है, एरिया को फाइंड करना है. x is equal to 3 and x axis, ये है आपका x is equal to 3 line and this is your x axis. तो this is the small area. ये जो एरिया है ना, स्टार्टिंग 0 है, एंडिंग एट 3 एंड लिमिट इज अलोंग x एक्सिस, अगर x एक्सिस पे लिमिट है तो 0 to 3 y dx. व्हाट इज y? 0 to 3 y क्या है? ये जो 0 to 3 है ना, ऐसे एक परपेंडिकुलर स्ट्रिप ड्रॉ करो. ये जो स्ट्रिप है ना, दैट एक्ट्स एज अ स्मॉल रेक्टेंगल. ये जो स्ट्रिप जो कर्व को टच कर रहा है ना, वो कर्व का y कोऑर्डिनेट इज y. ये जो कर्व है ना, इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है? ये कर्व का y कोऑर्डिनेट है x²/4. उसको इंटीग्रेट करना है. चलो इसको इंटीग्रेट किए तो ये हो जाएगा x² इज x³/3. 4 3s are 12. 0 to 3 इज द लिमिट. चलो इसको इंटीग्रेट करने के बाद अपर लिमिट डालने के लिए स्पेस और लोअर लिमिट डालने के लिए स्पेस यहाँ पे. सो 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27/12. ये हो गया 0. You can cancel. 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are, so is it 9/4 or 27/12? You have directly there option B. Option B, without cancelling they have given 27/12. That is the answer. That's right, man. Yes, Peru, Pushan, option B is correct. You got the right choice. Chalo, let's go to the next one. Numerical 3 with 45 seconds. Come on guys. Come on guys, quickly, let me see who will give the right choice, Peru or Pushan. What is your area between 1 and 3? So here diagram is given. So diagram you can always draw by plotting x and y respective values. Best way is use Desmos to practice various graphs. Left with 15 more seconds. Five more seconds. Time up. So if you draw y is equal to x cube, you will get an S-shaped curve which is like this. आपको इंटीग्रेट करना है. स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट 1 है, एंडिंग पॉइंट 3 है. सो लिमिट है इन x डायरेक्शन. अगर आपका लिमिट x डायरेक्शन में है तो y dx इज द फॉर्मूला. व्हाट इज y? y इज, ये जो स्ट्रिप ऐसे डालते हैं ना, ये स्ट्रिप जाके एक कर्व को टच करेगा, वो कर्व का y कोऑर्डिनेट. व्हाट इज y फॉर दैट कर्व? x³ है उसका y. चलो x³ को इंटीग्रेट किए तो x⁴/4 1 to 3. सो दिस विल गिव यू अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट. तो ये हो गया. सो 3 3s are 9. ओके, 9 9s are 81/4 minus 1/4. ये हो गया 80 divided by 4. That will give you 20, which is there in option B. Option B. Yes, Himanshu Rai. Any confusion, man? Pushan. Third one is B. Absolutely right. That's right, man. Himanshu. Hope you have done some mistakes there. Simplify करने में mistakes होगा शायद, check करो. Answer is 80/4, which is going to give you 20. Okay, fine then. Hope you all follow the steps. Get ready for the next. Yeah, here is the problem. Come on guys, hurry up. Area under the curve y is equal to x² minus 3x plus 2 with boundaries. They have given their x axis. $25 more seconds. This curve y is equal to x² minus 3x plus 2, that is a parabola. When you have the power as 2, you will get a parabola. Power x² or y², that will give you a parabola. Okay, your time is up. Your time is up. So let's see now. तो इसको कैसे ड्रॉ करना है? Okay, I'll just show you one graph. If you put x as 0, अगर आप x को 0 किए तो y का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 2, और y को 0 किए तो x का वैल्यू क्या होगा? x² minus 3x plus 2. y को 0 किए तो ये हो जाएगा that is 2 ones are 2, x square minus 2x minus 1x, that is minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. ये हो गया x minus 2, that is x minus 2, ये हो गया minus 1, x is equal to 1 और x is equal to 2. तो इसको हम ड्रॉ करेंगे. X is equal to 1 is here, x is equal to 2 is here, and when x is 0, y is 2, x is 0 and y is 2 means somewhere here. Okay, that will give you minus 1. This is x minus 2, that is minus 1 plus 2, x is equal to x minus 1, x is equal to plus 1 and x is equal to, that is correct. Okay, so what does that will give you? यहाँ पे एक 1 है, this is what your 1 is and this is what your 2 is. When x is 1, y coordinate is 0. When x is 2, y coordinate is 0. This is the point. When x is 0, y is 2. Okay, so you can randomly take some points. What happens when x is equal to minus 1? अगर आप x is equal to minus 1 किए तो y will become, this is 1, that is plus 3 and that is plus 2. So that will give you 3 plus 1 4, y will be 6. तो ये हो जाएगा ऐसे, ये है आपका 2, 6 यहाँ पे आता है. सो दिस विल बी समथिंग लाइक दिस. ठीक है, आपको फाइंड करना है. दिस इज द एरिया, दिस इज द एरिया एंड दे आर आस्किंग यू टू फाइंड द x is equal to 0 means y axis, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, where it will be, ये है 2 है ना, ये है 3 है. So to draw this graph neatly, okay, what I will just show you by Desmos. Smooth hand curve चाहिए तो you can use Desmos. Okay, so here is the Desmos. Go to Google and type Desmos. You will get Desmos graphical calculator. So the curve is, आपको ड्रॉ करना है x square. You go to the function, ये है x square minus 3x and यहाँ पे plus 2. So this is the graph, this is the smooth hand curve. ये है आपका x is equal to 3 line. So x is equal to 3. तो यहाँ पे आ गया x is equal to 3. So आपको क्या करना है, you need to find this area. Okay, ये जो curve है ना, this is the curve and 0 and that is 3. Okay, so let me take the slide here. The curve was something like this. हमें find करना है 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 y dx. क्या है y 0 to 3? y is x square minus 3x plus 2. इसको हम इंटीग्रेट करना है. ओके, तो ये हो गया x क्यूब बाई 3 माइनस 3 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 2 इज 2x 0 to 3. चलो अपर लिमिट हो गया. Put x as 3, that will give you 3. 3s are 9, 3s are 27 by 3 is again 9 minus, this is 3, 9 3s are 27 by 2 plus that will give you 6 and ये हो गया second part 0. So if you want to do the simplification here, you can write this as 2, 9 2s are 18 minus 27 plus 6 2s are 12. Okay, so 30 minus that will give you 3 divided by 2. कहाँ पे 3 by 2 है? Okay, so this is your 3 by 2. It should be 3 by 2. Just do the changes. 18 plus 12 is 30. 30 minus 27 is 3. 3 by 2 is your answer. That is correct. Pushan gave the right choice. 3/2 is the right choice. You know that should be option C. Do the changes in the key. Yes, Pushan, Himanshu, hope you followed the steps. Okay, fine then. So get ready. The next question is the previous class contest question. So no winner, no one has answered correctly in the 1 minute. So how to do this problem? It's a very simple problem. Already we have done enough number of examples based on this. आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, e to the power sin x by x है, यहाँ पे x square दिए हैं, तो इसलिए क्या करना है, put x square is equal to t, 2x dx will be equal to dt, और लिमिट चेंज हो जाते हैं. क्या हो गया न्यू लिमिट? अगर हमें x is equal to 1 सब्सटीट्यूट किए तो x is equal to 1 सब्सटीट्यूट किए तो t is equal to 1 स्क्वायर इज 1. हमें x is equal to 4 सब्सटीट्यूट करना है यहाँ पे ऊपर. ये हो गया x स्क्वायर, बोले तो 4 स्क्वायर, ये गया 16. तो करने के बाद हमारा नया लिमिट है 1 to 16 टू e to the power sin t, यहाँ पे x है, एंड dx will be, you know that dx हो जाएगा dt डिवाइडेड बाय ये है आपका 2x. इसको सिंप्लीफाई किए तो ये हो जाएगा x स्क्वायर, एंड दिस पार्ट यू नो दैट 1 to 16, ये जो 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, e to the power sin t डिवाइडेड बाय ये है x इंटू x स्क्वायर इज t, और एक 2 यहाँ पे है, इसको भी कैंसिल किए तो हो गया e to the power sin x by x. तो ये है आपका f of x which is given already here. लिमिट अप्लाई करना है 1 to 16 से, तो हमारा फाइनल आंसर आ जाएगा f of 16 माइनस f of 1. तो k का वैल्यू क्या हो गया यहाँ पे, k is nothing but 16. Is it clear पुशान, हिमांशु? पहला स्टेप है x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू t सब्सटीट्यूट करने के बाद लिमिट भी चेंज करना है. सो 1 to 4 लिमिट हो जाएगा 1 to 16. सो फाइनली वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ k as 16. एनी कंफ्यूजन पुशान, हिमांशु? होप यू फॉलोड द स्टेप्स. e to the power sin x by x is given as f of x. e to the power sin t divided by t will be f of t, okay, which is nothing but f of t. That is a variable. You can treat x also as a variable and t also as a variable. Whatever the variables you take, appropriate limits you need to use. Okay, good man. चलो अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, आज का कॉन्टेस्ट क्वेश्चन है. You will have 60 seconds. Let me see who is going to give the right choice. 60 seconds. Come on, hurry up, Himanshu and Pushan. Curve is already given, man. Curve is already given. Your job is to just integrate quickly and get the result. वो अपर लिमिट लोअर लिमिट दे चुका है डायग्राम में, कर्व भी दिया है, वो 1 to 2 is the limit. Left with 30 more seconds. Yes. Himanshu, no response from long time, man. Are you online? You are left with 10 more seconds. Integrate 1, integrate 8 by x square, and upper limit as 2, lower limit as 1. You'll get the answer. Time up. Time up, and winner will be announced only in the next class. Pushan has responded. Okay, let's see who is the winner in the next class. Now get ready for the next question. Here is the problem. Yes, come on, Pushan. Already the diagram is given and they have given you the curve and also they have given you the limits. Chalo, find karo quickly. What is your answer? Y is equal to 4 minus x square is the curve. Y is equal to 4 minus x square is the curve. Yes, 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. Time up. चलो, हमें करना है ये जो शेडेड पार्ट है ना उसका एरिया. सो बिफोर गोइंग टू दैट आई विल टेक ओनली दिस रेड कलर शेडेड है ना, उसको फाइंड करूंगा, बाद में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा. लेना है एरिया कहां से कहां तक. यू नो दैट दिस इज द पॉइंट, this is the point. So what is the point this when y is 0, this will be 2. ये हो गया 0 to 2 y dx. I will multiply this with 2 times. Why I am multiplying with 2 times? क्योंकि वो जो रेड कलर पोर्शन है ना, I am just taking the red color part. हमें टोटल एरिया फाइंड करना है, इसलिए 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया हूं. अभी जो 2 बाहर ऐसे ही रहता है. 0 to 2 इज द लिमिट. ये जो y है ना, y इज नथिंग बट 4 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. इसको इंटीग्रेट करना है. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दैट इज 4 इज 4x माइनस एक्स क्यूब बाई 3. अपर लिमिट और लोअर लिमिट को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. सो बाहर 2 एज इट इज यू विल हैव. ये जो अपर लिमिट डालने के लिए स्पेस है, ये लोअर लिमिट डालने के लिए स्पेस है. 4 इंटू 2 इज 8 माइनस 8 बाई 3. ओके, सो ये हो गया 0. सो 8 3s are 24 minus 8 is 2 into 16 by 3, which is nothing but 32 divided by 3. 16 2s are 32, which is in option B. Yes man, great. Pushan give the answer as B man. You are right, absolutely right. That is the right choice. Yes, Aryan, hope you followed the steps. Himanshu, no response. Chalo, let us get ready for the next question. Next is numerical 6 here. What is your answer for this? Area of the region lying between the line and the curve. Area of the region lying between the line and the curve. X minus y plus 2 is equal to 0 and the curve y is equal to root x. X is equal to root y. Yeah man, time up. Push on. Let us see now. तो यहां पे क्या करना है ना आपको, ये जो लाइन दिया है, ये जो ऊपर है ना, ये है आपका लाइन और ये है पैराबोला नीचे है. ऐसा आपको फाइंड करना है ये एरिया. दिस एरिया यू नीड टू फाइंड. सो आई विल डू 2 पार्ट्स हियर. ये जो लाइन है आपका ऐसा है एंड दिस इज 0 एंड दिस इज अप टू 2. ओके, आपको पहले इस ये एरिया फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, ये एरिया फाइंड करना है विच इज इन द ब्लू कलर. ये कब मिलेगा? व्हेन वी टेक द लाइन, वो एरिया मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, सो बाद में एक पैराबोला है यहां पे. दिस इज द पैराबोला यू हैव. वो पैराबोला लिया तो आपको मिल जाएगा ये एरिया. ठीक है, ये है आपका रेड कलर है ना पैराबोला. सो पहले लाइन यूज करना है. यू विल गेट समथिंग बिग एरिया माइनस ये जो पैराबोला है ना उसको यूज करना है. दैट विल गिव यू पैराबोला. तो एरिया रिक्वायर्ड विल बी, जो पहला बड़ा वाला है 0 to 2, वो लाइन लेना है, माइनस 0 to 2 बाद में पैराबोला लेना है dx. सो पहले लेंगे 0 to 2. ये लाइन का y क्या है यहां पे? व्हाट इज y फॉर लाइन? लाइन का y हो गया, इसको यहां पे शिफ्ट किए तो x प्लस 2. ये जो पैराबोला है ना उसका y क्या है? ये पैराबोला है ना उसका y हो गया, स्क्वायर कर दो, y विल बी एक्स स्क्वायर dx. इसको हमें इंटीग्रेट करना है. एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस 2x, अपर लिमिट और लोअर लिमिट डालना है। ये है एक्स क्यूब बाई 3 अपर लिमिट और लोअर लिमिट, एंड ये एरिया हम सिंप्लीफाई किए तो ये हो जाएगा ऊपर। सो दिस विल बिकम 2 2 जार 4 एंड दिस पार्ट विल बिकम व्हेन यू पुट 2, 4 by 2 is 2 plus 4 will give you 6 माइनस यहाँ पे 8 by 3, ओके 6 3 जार 18 माइनस 8 हो गया 10 by 3। हमें ऑप्शन में दिखाई दे रहा है 10 by 3 which is in option C, that is the right choice. Yes, Aryan and Pushan gave the answer as option C, man. That is the right choice. Great. Hope you understood the concept. जो भी दो कर्व आए तो आपको लेना है बड़ा एरिया देने वाला कर्व माइनस जो छोटा रहता है ना उसको सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है। सो व्हेन यू रिमूव बिगर माइनस स्मॉलर you will get the required shaded part. Is it clear, man? Hope you all followed the steps. Yes, Peru, Pushan, Aryan, Himanshu, no response. Okay guys, you know that. So we have covered the basic problems, and also I gave you some important standard results in the starting. So please do revise those formulas. जो भी curves, if you get that type, you can directly use those formulas and make use of Desmos. अब जो भी घर में टाइम मिला तो क्या करना है, just Google it, or you can download Desmos graphical calculator on your mobile also. Okay, Android mobile, you can just download it, Desmos, and whenever you are having free time, instead of browsing Facebook and WhatsApp, जो भी मन में करवाता है ना उसको Desmos में डालो and identify how the various graph x square, x cube, sin x, tan x, log x, e power x, 1 by x, 1 by x square, x power 3 by 2, whatever the function you come across, just put it there and just check how the Desmos is going to give you various graphs. So remember those various graphs, that will be very helpful in solving the problems. Okay, so in the coming class we are going to cover few more examples on the same concept. And thanks for joining us today, and please do subscribe for the HashLearn. So now I have given you 10 important questions from the concept what I have taught today. So dear passport holders, you will have your CPP will be unlocked immediately after this class, and non-passport holders will not have access to CPPs. You know, if you want to get access to CPP, you need to subscribe for the passport. If you subscribe, you will get access to CPP, but also you will get access to 24/7 one-to-one doubt solving session, and also you will have access to practice questions and tests from best-selling books, and also you will have access to all the video classes covering the toughest concepts and problems. So please do subscribe for the passport. Thanks for joining us again. Good night.